4 keys to make him miss you. Psychology gives us the answer for him to be the one to look for you when you are absent. The process of falling in love is the one that, according to the psychology in the relationships of the couple, gives the greatest foot to feel the absence of one of the two. Of course, you are interested in him going out to look for you when you have been away. In reality, the personality of the man who is in a couple relationship has as characteristic, the lack of expression, that is, they say little what they think, compared to a woman who always makes clear what she wants. But to get a man to miss you does not require spells or strange processes. Psychology gives us 4 key points so that he really misses you and goes out looking for you, and here we share them with you. 1. Don't always be available. We speak of reverse psychology. This key shows the importance of asserting your time and your space, and also to note that you have a life apart from his. It will make him value more the time that he is with you. Or he will want to look for you to know what you are up to. Apply it in. Do not answer his messages immediately. Go out with your friends and not just with him. 2. Help him. When a man meets a woman who is independent and with the intelligence to help him, he always prefers her. We do not talk about him being dependent on you and that limits you, but that he knows that you are indispensable for his life. Especially those times in which he ruins things, in terms of parents, work, friends, and you have the ideas for him to come out unbeaten. Apply it in. Know his plans and the things he does, so you can help him when you know something is not right. You can become his refuge and he will not want to be separated from you. 3. Travel without him. Yes, one of the most important goals of a single woman is to travel and to know different places. Of course, there is nothing like living the experience of traveling by his side, but by choosing to take at least one weekend to go with your family or friends, he will notice your absence. Apply it in. 1 weekend, when he least expects it, plan the trip with someone else. You will see how he will give signs that he is already missing you. 4. Change your way of acting. We are never sufficiently expert in love, but when you are living that stage you always seek to attract the man of your dreams over and over again. It is natural, it happens to all of you, but everything depends on your attitude and to what extent you are willing to go for that love. Remember, you should never lose your dignity in the process. Source: https://www.soycarmen.com. Don't forget to click the link in the description below to download my free ebooks. To learn more about 4 keys to make him miss you, please subscribe to this channel, share this video with others, like it, and download the book free by clicking the description below, and please let us know your opinions in the comments section below.